Hello. What's up everybody? Hello po sa inyong lahat and we are live. It's me David and it's a good afternoon po from here. We are live from Jiyogaoka, Meguro, Tokyo. It's a beautiful weather po kung yun yung nakikita. Napakalamig na po ngayon and mahangin. It's actually 14 degrees po ngayon dito sa Tokyo. And I'm loving the weather, to be honest. Itong weather na to yung pinakagusto ko, prime weather ng Japan. First of all, hindi pa namin kailangan magsuot ng mabigat na jacket. Hindi pa namin kailangan magsuot ng mga makakapal na jacket. This is like, ito yung pinakasakto pa lang na weather na hindi masyadong sobrang lamig. And you can walk without sweating. You can drink a drink na hindi siya umiinit agad. Yun yung mga gusto ko pag mga malapit na po mag-winter. It's actually one of the best season and best weather here in Japan. So, hello po. It's actually my break time. And you guys know, every break po na ginagawa ko, I'm practicing this. Practicing how to become better. I'm practicing how to come out of my comfort zone. I'm practicing what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. Yun po ang ginagawa ko. And the intention po of this live is for me to give out this amazing business opportunity that we have, which is this digital business that we have called affiliate marketing, while practicing po what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur, while also unlocking our full potential through personal development. Yun po ang aking intention, and I want to help people that are watching right now, yung mga nag-iisip magbukas ng negosyo pero hindi nila alam kung paano sila magbubukas ng negosyo, yung mga natatakot magbukas ng negosyo. Kasi ganun rin po ako dati. Wala po talaga akong idea nung nag-start ako ng online business. Basta gusto ko ng online business. Kasi we are living in an age where is internet, social media, and everything now is basically inside our pockets. We have supercomputers right now that is basically our phone. And instead of scrolling, doom scrolling po yung tawag ko, instead of scrolling Facebook for 1 hour, instead of scrolling Instagram for like 1 hour, and TikTok for 1 hour, bakit hindi ka gumawa ng pera habang ginagawa mo to, di ba? So that's basically it. Kaya bakit ko to ginawa? Kasi marami nang yumaman. Sobrang dami na pong yumaman sa negosyo nito. Kaya alam ko na at one point, I will be there. I just need to do my own journey. This is my journey. That's why I'm also documenting it. Kasi alam ko at one point, babalikan ko tong araw na to. And then people are gonna ask, ano bang ginawa mo? Paano ka naging successful? And I'm just gonna direct them to this video. I'm documenting my journey every single day because my purpose is to become better every single day. So yun po, kaya ko po ito ginagawa. And I'm also hoping to help people like you. Yeah, you are in the right video po. So let's go straight away to a topic that's maganda tong topic na to kasi hindi lang ako ang nakakaranas nito. Marami pong mga tao ang nakakaranas itong topic na i-discuss ko. Halos lahat ng tao pinagdadaanan po ito. Ano ba tong topic na to is what you call limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs po, ito yung mga, kung gagawin natin siyang Tagalog, ito yung mga negatibong bagay na sinasabi natin sa ating sarili. Ito yung mga bagay na, for example lang po, magbibigay ako ng example. Kunyari, gusto mo magbukas ng negosyo. Ang unang papasok sa isip mo, ay, wala yan. Hindi yan totoo. Natatakot akong sumubok. Baka mag-fail ako. Baka ma-reject ako. Baka magkamali ako, baka hindi ko to kaya. Pagka po kasi pinangunahan natin yung sarili natin ng baka at hindi, nakaka-apekto po yun sa buong pagkatao natin. Once you believe na hindi mo kayang gawin, or once you believe na hindi siya para sa'yo, yung buong pagkatao mo is gonna believe that you are not meant for that thing. That is really important po kasi na kailangan nating isipin na kaya natin ng isang bagay. Kasi hindi naman po natin malalaman ng isang bagay kung hindi natin siya susubukan, di ba? So it's really important to discuss this topic because ito Sa totoo lang po, araw-araw po ako nagsistruggle na to minsan. Like before, I'm just gonna give you a quick background. When I was doing this business, I was so afraid to go outside of my comfort zone. Because sasabihin ng mga tao, anong ginagawa nitong tao na to? Bakit ka nagla-live? Anong ginagawa mo? So, yung mga tao na yun, yung mga iniisip ko, yung mga fear of the unknown, yung mga bagay na anong iisipin ng mga kaibigan ko, nakikita nila ako nagla-live, anong iisipin ng mga tao na nakakilala sa akin, nakikita nila ako mag-live, baka isipin nila ganito, baka. Ganun po ang parati ko nararanasan dati. Pero at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Kasi po yung mga opinion ng mga tao, hindi naman po sila magbabayad ng kuryente. Hindi ka naman magiging milyonaryo pagka pinakinggan mo yung opinion, 'di ba, ng ibang tao. So, at the end of the day, yung lahat ng kinatatakutan ko na pwedeng mangyari, hindi naman siya nangyayari, 'di ba? So, yun lang po yung parang pinaka parang wake up call sa akin na if you are not going to go to your outside of your comfort zone, you are not going to grow. Hindi po tayo magiging yung tao na gusto natin maging. Ako po, sa negosyo na ito, sobrang dami na naging milyonaryo. And I want to be a millionaire. Right now, in my job right now, I'm grateful na meron akong trabaho dito sa Japan. I have a good paying job. And my wife also have a good paying job. But, nung pong tinignan namin yung roadmap on becoming a millionaire, parang hindi siya pwedeng makamit eh. And now in my age, I'm tired of working for other people's dream. Ayoko na pong gawin yung mga pangarap nila. Itong negosyo na ito, pinarealize na sa akin na yung lahat ng effort mo, yung lahat ng gagawin mo na para sa'yo, at the end of the day, you can be a millionaire. And in becoming a millionaire, you can help other people become millionaire as well, while becoming better every single day. So lahat ng mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, sinecheck ng negosyo na to. Kaya ako siya ginawa. Sa totoo lang po talaga, at first I was so afraid. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. Hindi ko alam kung magiging successful ba ako. Hindi ko alam kung yayaman ba ako. But I just kept saying myself na, David, you have to try. You have to try because a lot of normal, regular people have already become a millionaire. So what is your excuse? Parehas naman tayong may kamay, parehas naman tayong may mata, may ilong, may bibig. But ang pinagkaiba nila, they didn't believe on their limiting beliefs na sinasabi ng sarili natin na baka mag-fail tayo, baka hindi natin siya makamit, ang pagiging successful, you are going to fail at one point. Ayun yung pinaka nag-open sa akin ng parang I have opened up an entire dimension ng pag-iisip ko na parang okay lang pala magkamali. Kasi sa pagkakamali, dun po tayo natututo. Okay? So let's go po dun sa benefits po when we are doing, when we are canceling or overcoming mental barriers. Kung ano ba ang magiging epekto nito pag nag-practice tayo nun. Okay? So the first benefit if you are practicing to identify your limiting beliefs is number one is you will unlock your true potential. When I say unlock your true potential, yung totoong kaya mo talagang gawin. Kasi if you are not going to put yourself in a stressful situation, you are not going to put yourself in a hard situation, and di mo alam kung magagawa mo siya, di ba? You have to put yourself in a challenging position because on those challenging positions, you are going to come up better at the end of the day. You are going to grow. You are going to become the person that you really wanted to be. Yun po talaga ang pinaka na-realize ko at pinaka nagustuhan ko in becoming a entrepreneur. Nakakatakot siya. I'm just telling you, I'm scared. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it has already been proven that it's gonna work. I'm just putting in the work. And it's really hard to fail if you are not going to quit. I'm not gonna quit. Yun po yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko. That's why I'm not gonna fail. Pangalawa, it builds confidence, okay? Once na it builds confidence and resilience, okay? Once you push past your challenges, once you push past those yung mga mental barriers, yung mga pagsubok, anong mangyayari pagkatapos? tulad na nasabi ko kanina, wala naman pala yung kinatatakot ko eh. Hindi naman pala siya nangyari. So, magiging confident ka. Magiging confident ka, and na-discuss ko po kahapon yung ibig sabihin ng resiliency. Resiliency is mas lalo kang magiging matatag. Kasi lahat ng mga iniisip mo na nangyari, nalampasan mo eh. So, that is what, yun po nagagawa niya sa atin. And the third one is, this will encourage you to take more risk and take more action. Sa totoo lang po kasi, in our life, if we are not going to take risk, if we are not going to take a step ahead or like a level ahead dun sa mga dreams natin, it's not going to happen. It's not gonna happen. Hindi po reward sa mundo na ito yung mga taong nananalangin lang at yung mga taong nanunood lang at yung mga taong parating dasal ng dasal na sana yumaman ako, sana bigyan ako ng Panginoon ng sign para yumaman ako. Kailangan po natin ng action. Kailangan po natin gumawa ng hakbang papunta dun sa goal na yon. Okay? And this business, I can tell you, if problema po yung pera, it will give you. But you have to work for it. You have to work for it. I'm not telling po na masama ang magkaroon ng normal na buhay. But me, I'm now dreaming big. I'm dreaming big not only for myself, I'm doing this for my family. And hindi lang po para sa current family ko, it's going to be for the next generation. I want to break the barrier of being normal. I want to be extraordinary. So in becoming extraordinary, you have to delete all of your negative beliefs na hindi ko siya kaya, natatakot ako, baka mag-fail ako, baka magkamali ako. Kung magkamali ka, so what? Diba? Pero pag nalampasan niyo po yan, you're gonna become the best version of yourself. And I can tell you one thing, you're gonna be proud of yourself at one point. Okay? I'm not telling this because I'm already there. I'm telling this because I can feel the difference from my day one David up to now. And I can see results. I have people texting me. I have people messaging me how to start this business. I have a lot of like questions that they are really scared na magbukas ng negosyo. Sinasabi ko pa, ang parati ko sinasabi sa kanila, natatakot rin naman ako nung una eh. Ganun naman lahat ng unang reaksyon ng tao. You're going to be scared. But in taking action and in taking risk and canceling all your negative beliefs, you're gonna be successful at one point. Yun po. So I want to end this live right there. Before I end this live, let's do a quick recap kung ano man po ang benefit if you are practicing how to build or cancel all of your negative beliefs. Ang ginagawa po niya, number one, is unlock your full potential. You are unlocking the potential na talagang binigay sa'yo ng Diyos. Tingin mo ba pinanganak ka or sinabi sa'yo ng Diyos na maging trabahador ka lang for the rest of your life? No. Maybe this is the moment that you are been waiting for. Then maybe this is the chance that you can do to actually go out of your comfort zone and claim the person that you really wanted to be, because that's my dream, that's my goal, so I'm doing it. Next is you're building confidence, because if you are canceling and if you are overcoming all of those negative beliefs na nangyari siya and nagawa mo siya, what's gonna happen? You're gonna become confident, right? And the last one is it will encourage you more to do action. It's really important to take action, guys. I cannot tell this anybody. And speaking of action, we have another kababayan from Japan, originally from the Philippines, who took action today. One thing that I can promise, it's going to be a journey, and I'm going to be here to help you. I'm going to be here to help you reach your goals, because in reaching your goals, you are also helping me reach my goals. Yun po ang pinakamagandang part dito sa negosyo nito. It's all about helping other people. So if you are looking for a business that you can open na hindi mo alam kung anong gusto mong gawin, ayaw mo magbukas ng physical store, gusto mo magbukas ng business na pwede mong dalhin saan mang lugar na may internet, na hindi mo kailangan tauhan ng 8 hours, and ang pinakamaganda dito, can give you a lucrative amount of income, this is the right business for you. Again, this is me, David. Intention of this live video is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that I have, which is this digital marketing. If you want to know more about it, hit me up a message me, and I will be happy to discuss the business to you. And yun lang po. I want to say thank you for the people that are watching. Thank you for all the love. Thank you po para sa mga taong makakanood at nanood nito at yung mga taong manunood nito. Thank you very much. It's me, David, and I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Thank you po. Salamat.